Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are installing a Scorpion exhaust on Niall's car. So once again, we're here in Bluewater car park for some weird reason rather than someone's driveway. And we're going to pop it on the car as quickly as we can, right? Yeah. As quickly as we can, because it's getting colder and colder by the minute. So his current setup is a back box delete and a normal cat on the front. It should be pretty easy to get off because obviously the exhaust has already been cut and then the back box delete added in, so it's just one bolt basically. And then once you got that bolt off, the back box comes off. Then it's just the centre section and the part that connects to the actual downpipe itself, so that might be a bit more complicated, but we'll see. Nah, Niall's doing all the work, mate. Look at him, he's in there.
I'm actually pulling my weight this time.
See that?
Fuck!
Oh. Yeah, close your mouth and eyes, mate. You don't want exhaust crap in your mouth. Oh, look at those springs. Who did them? Who rounded off all those bolts?
Ben!
Ben did.
Yeah, check the welds out on that.
What's that?
That's brilliant.
What, this?
The welds on that exhaust. I'm trying to get a better.
Wait until this comes out and we'll show them.
Sorry, I got excited.
Thing in my van, he's down at the back.
Right.
Bolt?
Has he even undone it? Ben, what have you undone? You sure, mate? Yeah. Ben, come under the side. Oh shit, my camera. Hang on, got to film this.
What?
Hello, Ben.
Hello.
Well, I can't. You might have to pull this.
Yeah.
Do you want to get a jack?
Put it down, put it down.
Oh, what I'll do for a battery angle grinder.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Stop exhaust pipe flex. It's not gonna fuck the cat, is it?
No, that.
What cat? Yes. Yes.
Alright, easy.
It's shaking about over here.
There we go.
Hey. Yeah, the exhaust works are like reputable. They're known.
Oh yeah.
I don't know about who this is
I
from.
don't know who that is, because if that's Horseworks, that's one of their first ever ones. Surely.
Those welds are awful. I mean, I'm no welder at all. But
You can just tell by looking.
You know a good weld when you see one.
yeah.
Or a shit weld when you see one. You've seen enough welding to know.
Oh, it's really bad. Oh, it's really bad. Right, let me just get this done. So we're just working out how to get the last kind of gasket area off. So this area here, bit that connects the middle box to the
Can I take his wheel off?
downpipe.
Oh, you're doing the new one, are you?
Hey, you ready for this?
I'll tell you what, you can
Some
put...
sick trick shots.
Go on then.
Oh, straight on there.
That's what she said.
I'm doing this through the camera as well.
Fucking hell, I'm gonna start to charge you for my WD-40.
I don't care. works.
He said he don't care. There you go.
You break it, I'll just get the.
Let me go in front ways then.
Go on.
Whee!
If it breaks, I'll just get the new one.
Get a new car, yeah. Because at this rate, you're going to need to. Right. Grabbing the front or what? What are you doing?
Yeah, I will.
Oh, finger!
Right.
Oh, Ben! Oh. I don't know if this is a good idea.
Where's your
In case the engine rocks.
Why's the engine gonna rock?
It's starting up.
If it's got the mount in, what's it gonna do? Innit? Where's your fire extinguisher, just in case?
That'd be fine.
I'm nothing to do with this.
You're lighter than me, start it. I'm letting you start
I'm
it.
not
Start
starting
it.
it. I'm not starting it.
Let you start it.
Oh, we really don't have to do this.
Alright, well don't worry then. You made me do all that for nothing.
Copyright.
Copyright.
Oh, copyright. Right. Right again. Yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. That was pretty cool.
We're at 1.2 now, mate.
Yeah. And what? Okay, so we've got the gasket down there. That's all tight and done up. That's the OEM engine mount just there. Engine mount, exhaust hanger mount. But that'll be fine because it's all bolted to the cat anyway. And then we got a new mount here, which goes through the exhaust tunnel there. We've got the clamp there, which goes round the back. That's going to have to rotate quite a bit, and then it's going to go through there, so through the rear axle, rear subframe, whatever you want to call it, and then that's where your back box goes. But obviously that needs to sit way higher and more round, so we'll have to see how that goes.
You got to go over this bit here, over that, yeah?
No. Look at the tips off my belly. Fucking hell. Mitch, can I borrow your hands? Because this is falling at my hands.
What's falling out your hands?
I'm already pinching it together. Hold up.
I can hold it a bit, but I've only got this end.
That's right. Oh. The head busted the back of the car. Right, where are we going? Up? Down?
Go up, back to you, and go up.
There we go.
This side of it, that's it.
Right, got that?
Right, can you get your hangers in first? I got to get you doing some work, haven't I? He does do some
That's
things.
the thing though, if I'm recording all the time, the time that I do work, no one gets to see, because, oh, that one's tight, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Because, you know, I'm not a cameraman, I need a dedicated cameraman now, who wants to come on the payroll.
Oh yeah. How much you offering?
$5.
$5 a video.
$5 a video. So we're now on my phone because I've run out of space on the battery, but basically it's all done. The hardest bit is basically that centre section, just making sure that you've aligned it properly and you've got enough room for the back box to stick out here. And obviously for it to clear this rear beam here. We're going to get a first impression of what it sounds like. Let's see. Yeah, so it's a 3-inch cat, and then it's a non-res Scorpion exhaust with a back box, and we'll see how it sounds once Ben's lowered the car in slow motion. Oh mate, I can't wait to get a new phone.
One of them dodgy Citroen jacks. Oh, there is a cable.
The people's already. It's going to be loud, or it's going to really knock against your rear diffuser.
Ready?
that's nice. God, that sounds so much better than your back box delete. That sounds so much cleaner. So just showing you guys, this was his gasket before. I mean, this is how badly the other guy had bodged his car. So that was his gasket before. And obviously that's a gasket with a normal cat. So probably not the best thing to do. Sounds wicked now. I'm sorry about the camera shake, guys, because I'm freezing my butt off and my phone's rubbish at the minute. But this is a phone without a optical image stabilization. There you go. It sounds so good. There you go, midnight in Bluewater Car Park. So that concludes the video. Sorry that we've kind of finished on my phone. I ran out of space on my memory card. But this is Niles ST200. It's now Revo 2. It's now got Scorpion exhaust all the way back. So awesome, sounds awesome. You know, it's cool. I'm glad that he's got it on his car, and his car's becoming his. It's becoming so much nicer than it was, so props to him. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe. After this clip there may be a few clips of him flybys and stuff like that, but I'll see you guys in the next video.